We are still working on target 1 with ratios, rates, and percentages. Use ratio and rates reasoning to solve real-world problems. Now, we learned how to do this with a model. What we are learning on today is tape diagram, or in this video, tape diagram. So up here at the top of your notes, it says a ratio can be represented by drawing objects themselves, but they can also be represented using a tape diagram. A tape diagram illustrates number relationships by using rectangles to represent ratio parts. A tape diagram representing the ratio of each type of muffin is shown. So here I have my ratio. And remember, our questions are different. So if I look at my ratio, my question is asking blueberry to pumpkin. And remember, each rectangle represents one muffin, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3. Minimize that. All right, so I have 3 blueberry to 2 pumpkin. All right, now you answer your question. Our next question, it says, suppose you purchase a 36 pack of muffins. So this whole right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my whole or my total is 6 muffins in a pack. Use a tape diagram to determine how many blueberry, bran, and pumpkin muffins you will receive. So mine says 36, yours says 24, I believe. So we're going to do the same thing, only different numbers. So if I know I have groups of 6, so I can do a tape diagram. This would probably be easier. So I have 3, 2, and 1. So I need to think, if I got to get to 36, so that's 36 divided by 6 is 6. So I have to do 6 tape diagrams. There's no either. All right, so this is blueberry, pumpkin, bran. Do blueberry. So 3, 2, 1. And then I gotta do another set. Gotta do 6 of these basically. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. And I could divide up the rectangles. For the sake of time, I could do this. You can too. All right, that's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. Five. All right, so now I should have 36. So 1, 2, 3. Wait, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 6, 12, 18, 24. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. All right, and I just counted by 6s. Now it's asking me how many of each one is there. Man, I'm running out of room. So I would then say there are, well, let's do blueberry bran first. There's bran equals 6. Pumpkin and mine equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12. And blueberry, I'm just going to abbreviate BB, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18. So there, I've now answered all of them. And then if I wanted to, I can get out a calculator and double check. If I go 18 plus 12 plus 6, it should equal 36. So now you do yours for 24. All right, we have one more we're going to look at. So that one was looking at a total muffins. Now we're going to look at if they give you a part. So suppose you wanted 20 muffins, 20 pumpkin muffins in your variety pack. It's asking you now to find the total of the variety pack. So you know a part, you're trying to find the whole. And we know our whole has 6 in it. And we know that normally pumpkin would be 2 to 6. So I can draw out this tape diagram till I get 20 pumpkins. Okay, so I know that, my lines are not going to be straight. I need 20 pumpkins, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I believe that's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is. Yay! And I believe we have the same problem on this one. So we have 20 here. So then we have 1 blueberry for every pumpkin, or 1 brand for every pumpkin. So I'm going to basically 1 brand for every 2 blueberry. No! Can I do Control Z? There we go. All right, so I have, my tape diagram's going to look a little weird. So here's 2, so there's 1. There's 1. I'm putting it in between the 2 so I can see it. For every 2 pumpkin, I get 1 brand. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 brand, 20 pumpkin. Now, how many blueberry? Well, I have 3 blueberry for every 2. So here's 2, and that's going to be 3. Here's 2 more. Divide that into thirds. Here's 2 pumpkin. I'm going to divide it into thirds. 7, 8 makes 2 pumpkin. I'm going to divide it into thirds. 9, 10 make 2 pumpkins. I'm going to divide it into thirds. You see what we're doing? 11, 12, thirds. 13, 14, thirds. 15, 16, divide it into thirds because there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops, that's 4. There we go. And then 1, 2. All right. So now I have 3, which would be 30 altogether. Right there for blueberry. So I can again get out my calculator. I have 30 blueberry, 20 pumpkin, and 10 brand. It's asking me for the total muffins. And again, I can use my calculator. My total muffins in my variety pack would be 60. All right. You also might notice, hey, couldn't I just, if I have 20, if I need to get from 20 to something here, let's call it M for muffins. Well, 2 times 10 is 20, so I would do the same with 6 times 10 would give me 60, which is what we proved with the tape diagram. So you can also do it mathematically. All right, this next one you're going to do on your own, and then you have some practice ones, I believe. So you have these practice ones to use and answer the questions with. All right, good job, you guys.